Hi, Tata. Happy 80th birthday. Wish ko at pray ko kay nga pong Ginoo na di na nakapang makabang biye na akayabed ako. At alim mo ito dapat healthy ka at etamo mamagkasakit ng katamo kalusugan. We can't wait to celebrate with you, Fernandez. Happy birthday, Tata. I love you. To get away from it all. Bodies in the sand. Tropical drink melting in.
Happy birthday kay ka. Sana dakal pang birthday datang kay ka. Dakal salamat and happy birthday ulit kay ka ta. I love you.
Aruba, Jamaica, oh I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby why don't we go down to Kokomo, we'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow.
Salamat ta, hindi agyuing danggeway kay kami. Pasalamatan ni, kaya piningagyo, igawan ni mo na magkakay. Happy birthday sana, umaba pa yung diye mo, hanggang maluwag na kang yung sa panandaman mo, at ayag yung mo, sininanak pang makababyan nga pong din. Salamat ta, God bless and happy birthday, love you.
Afternoon delight, cocktails and moonlit nights, that dreamy look in your eye, give me a
Sabla, pasalamat ko kay nga po Ginoo. Miras ko makanya na edad. Sana kumapa ko pati. Kemi, guru sang kaya dapat ikay kong help samahan niyo. Tsaka sobrang blessed na kayo. Miras ko kaya nidagama kanya. Munang-muna na siguro nang mapangatita mo. Pero yung nga duwang kumbukin nga pong sana kumaba pa yung bill. Masayang kay Baitan nakin kayo. Salamat.
Everybody knows a little place like Kokomo. Now if you wanna go and get away from it all, go down to Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica.
Happy birthday, Tata!
Take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby why don't we go down to Kokomo, we'll get there fast and then we'll take it slow, that's where we wanna go, way down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama, come on pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego.